I love being in nature. It's just so refreshing and such a reminder of the beauty that God made for our pleasure, for our delight. I can just be here and just be alone, yet feel so connected to everything. And it's so vital to understand our oneness with nature, and being in a place like this reminds me of how I am part of creation, and it's very refreshing. In terms of on here, there are a lot of cypress trees. These are called bald cypress trees, and right over there, I don't know if I can see right there, if I can gesture right there, but right in there, the base right there, the knees, they're called the knees, which helps give it some structure and support. But anyway, this is really inspired a poem which I'm going to read. To be a bald cypress, majestic yet humble, what other giant kneels to the ground below it, to the murky waters that no one wants to touch? The song sparrow trusts its arms to support and safeguard its few progeny. Migrating birds find rest from fatigued wings and fat, poor bodies. Oh, great giant, rooted in place, present for many tomorrows, where fledglings know to return to nest if they choose, bringing past, present, and future to inhabit the same space, feel the same warmth and security. Your humble knees, your welcoming branches of arms. Oh, to be you, great giant. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the view.